Are you ready for the ultimate fondue shootout? We have the classic, the epic Cuisinart, and we have two other contenders. One who says that it can be used to make s'mores, kind of like to roast marshmallows and that kind of stuff, as well as to create fondue. This is going to be an epic night here at the Doug and Nikki residence, where we will be larger when we get done with this for sure, but we're gonna have a lot of fun doing it. Let's open them all up, set them up, and talk about them independently, and then let's have a shootout in terms of which one's gonna be the best one to use overall for our family and yours. Big night here in the Doug and Nikki kitchen. We are having a fondue battle, and in order to have a fondue battle, we need to battle chocolates as well. We have two different chocolates here, which we're gonna try in different pots and see which one melts the best and which one tastes the best. Only one thing left to do. Let's bust out a bunch of pots, put the chocolate in, and insert some bananas, see how they taste. This is the Lushyum chocolate melting pot right here. Let's open it up and set it up. According to them, it is quick melting and it is gentle melting at the same time. The wife's making noise again. First off, I will say it is an adorable pink color made of like a silicone material. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Comes with its own little pink spatula. This stuff's coming from China, so make sure you wash it well before you use it. Ooh, let me show you this. How cute is this? So first off, it is adorable looking, but then I was like, where's the wire? That's where the wire is. How cool is that? It stores right here on the bottom, like perfectly. I like that. I'm gonna give it high marks just for that. So for tonight's test, or a regular night around the house here, this is perfect because you could have two flavors perfectly separate. So you could have white chocolate and milk chocolate, or milk chocolate, dark chocolate. We're gonna have dark chocolate and dark chocolate, but two different brands to test out. Goes inside this ring, and then you just put it in there like that, and it is ready to go. There is also a larger single one if you want to use that as well. Let's check out the next one, the next contestant. So this is a 2-in-1. This is the one that is a s'mores kit. So we're gonna use it as fondue thingamabob tonight, but if you wanted to do s'mores, this is a s'moresable kit too. Comes with 4 little things which go around it. So the 2 pieces snap together. There are feet, so it doesn't sit flush on the countertop, which means you could take the wire, slide the wire through, put this right on top, and look at how nice and neatly it just sits there like that. Then, after you wash it, this is where you're gonna melt your chocolate. These are called dishes, and they go around here. So everybody could kind of either have their own flavors, or you could have separate flavors. I really like this Chocosmore thing, because it's like a complete thing. Like, this is a whole presentation for an evening. Now, I'm not sure how much space there is here for the chocolate and how well that's gonna do, but we're gonna have to test it out to find out. Here is the industry standard, the Gorilla Cuisinart, which has been a member of our household for a while. Let me show you this thing. Again, this is like the other ones, comes with everything you need, but this one's a little different in that it is El Massivo compared to the other ones. Okay, so let me show you this. This is the Cuisinart. Now, the Cuisinart comes all as one piece. There's not a lot of assembling. It is a more professional material, of course, and it comes with this cute little thing which kind of locates your stabbers. Goes like on here like this. You can like leave them in there in those little holes, stays put. We don't use those, we just do it wild style. Here we go, check this out. This is looking kind of cool, right? I'm feeling fat already with 3 different machines, 2 different chocolates, and Nikki is working hard in the background. So she's making some strawberries, some apples, and bananas, all to pig out on this. We do this just so you know which one of these to get for yourself. We sacrifice ourselves for the audience.
Running for the milk?
Going for the milk. Burnt milk. For that extra crunchy on it. So let's wrap this up. Let's start with our number 3 winner in terms of the pots. Do we agree? Number 3?
Number 3.
Number 3. When I say number 3, it is still good. I think this is a great option, especially for like date night If you wanted to have the white chocolate, dark chocolate, or 2 different flavors like we have, great for that. That's a nice feature. It has melted everything. I feel like it's under control. Very controllable, nice. Nothing wrong with it. Number 2, I'm gonna have to go with number 2, Cuisinart.
Yeah.
You agree, Cuisinart?
Yeah, I'm gonna say Cuisinart is best for oils and fondue cheese.
Yeah, like the cheese fondue. You can do more things with this, right? The only thing you can't do with this that you can do with this is you can there's like a grill for this and you can like roast marshmallows and make s'mores and that kind of stuff. So number 2 is gonna be the Cuisinart. Number 1 is the Chocosmore. Chocosmore is absolutely a rock star. Comes with these cool little plates, the tray. This works perfectly. Comes with stabbers, AKA little forky things. So yeah, so that's where we're at. 1, 2, 3, but they're all good. There were no failures here. Next up, let's talk chocolates. Ghirardelli or Kiddo Pantry, which one are you picking as the winner?
This one for me.
Kiddo Pantry.
Yeah.
I vote Kiddo Pantry also, except the difference between you and me is you didn't really like the Ghirardelli. I like the Ghirardelli, but it's like a different style of chocolate. For this, I like this chocolate better.
Yeah.
So those, and then the other one, which is a winner for me, is this chocolate, the milk chocolate. I like the milk chocolate. Nikki does not like the milk chocolate. So that is our review of 3 chocolates, 3 machines. There's actually a single link below. It is either here or down below. None of this is sponsored. We bought all of this to bring this to you to sacrifice ourselves. And there is a single link, and if you go there, it will take you to all of the options on Amazon right on one page. You can pick whichever one works for you, but to make life simpler for you, there's just one link to click on. If we've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, are you dark chocolate, medium chocolate, or milk chocolate? Put that in the comments. You could even say why, but I have thoroughly sacrificed myself for you, but I am going to piece you out now because we got lots of fruit to eat. So we need a lot of chocolate and a lot of fruit, and then we'll be sick, and I will see you in the next video.